The universe, vast and mysterious, is home to an incredible diversity of life, known collectively as biolife. These living organisms range from the smallest microbes on distant planets to complex, intelligent beings capable of space travel and advanced technologies. Biolife thrives in a variety of environments, from the icy moons with subsurface oceans to the lush, Earth-like worlds teeming with flora and fauna. This diversity shows life's remarkable ability to adapt and evolve in different cosmic conditions. Scientists and astronomers use sophisticated tools like telescopes and space probes to search for signs of life beyond Earth. They look for habitable conditions such as water, suitable temperatures, and protective atmospheres as indicators of potential biolife. Discovering biolife elsewhere in the universe would be one of humanity's greatest achievements, providing insights into our place in the cosmos, the potential for extraterrestrial ecosystems, and the universality of life's building blocks. The ongoing quest to find biolife fosters global collaboration among scientists, encouraging the sharing of knowledge and technology. It fuels our imagination about the future, the possibility of interstellar communication, and even the prospect of visiting or colonizing other planets